This is taking forever. How am I ever going to extract all the data from all my emails? God, there has to be another way. Oh wow, I can actually download all of my data simultaneously. Hey guys, it's Rob, your YouTuber Mailbird. Have you been wondering how to extract all the data from the limitless emails scattered within your Gmail account? Well, you could try doing this manually, which may take a while, but the good news is that there's an easy and simple way to do this in just a few clicks. So let's jump straight into downloading all your data from your Gmail account. We've divided this process in 8 simple steps, so simply just follow along. Step 1, log into your Gmail account. Step 2, click the 9-dot icon on the top right corner and select Accounts. Step 3, select Data and Privacy. Step 4, scroll down to the Data from Apps and Services You Use section. Step 5, click on Download Your Data. Step 6, select the files you'd like to export and hit Next Step. I strongly recommend selecting and downloading them all. Step 7, choose your preferred format to export your data. Step 8, click Create Export. And that's it. In case you've also been wondering on how to delete your Gmail account, you can find a link in the description below that'll take you to another video on how to get this done in the easiest and best way possible. I truly encourage you to drop your comments or doubts below on what you'd like to learn about your Gmail accounts. I really want to help you guys master your Gmail management skills and promise to assist or provide more content like this. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons below to stay tuned for more bite-sized tutorials on how to manage your Gmail accounts.